The Keychron Q1 Pro wireless keyboard feels exceptionally solid thanks to its fully machined aluminum chassis and premium build quality that rivals many high-end custom boards. Its compact 75% layout and wireless connectivity make it ideal for switching between a laptop, desktop, and mobile devices without sacrificing essential keys. Battery life is impressive for a mechanical keyboard, with a large capacity cell that comfortably supports long sessions over Bluetooth without frequent recharging. The QMK and VIA support allow deep customization, so you can tailor every key, macro, and shortcut to your workflow across Mac, Windows, and Linux systems. Hot swappable sockets and pre-lubricated tactile brown switches deliver a satisfying responsive feel while letting enthusiasts experiment with different switch types without soldering. Thoughtful acoustic tuning, including a double gasket structure, silicone damping, PBT keycaps, and south-facing RGB lighting, results in a quieter, more refined sound and a polished typing experience.